Are you experiencing tingling or numbness in any part of your body? Do you always have muscle cramps and feel weak all the time? Do you have difficulty with fine motor skills, such as writing or buttoning a shirt? Then we suggest that you finish this video to know if you have this illness and how to alleviate it the natural way. Nerve damage, also known as neuropathy, is a condition that occurs when there is damage or dysfunction to the body's nervous system. The nervous system is responsible for transmitting signals throughout the body, allowing us to move, feel, and function properly. Nerves are delicate structures that can become damaged due to a variety of reasons, including physical injury, infections, exposure to toxins, chronic diseases such as diabetes, and autoimmune disorders. There are several natural ways to treat nerve damage, which may help to alleviate symptoms and promote healing. Here are some of them. Number 1. Exercise. Exercise is a crucial part of nerve damage treatment as it helps to improve blood flow, which is important for providing essential nutrients and oxygen to damaged nerves. Regular physical activity can also stimulate nerve regeneration by promoting the growth of new nerve cells and strengthening existing ones. Exercise can also help to reduce inflammation and pain associated with nerve damage by releasing endorphins, which are natural painkillers produced by the body. Number 2. Massage therapy. Massage therapy can also be an effective natural treatment for nerve damage. It helps to increase blood flow and stimulate nerve function by reducing tension and improving flexibility in the muscles surrounding the affected area. This can lead to improved mobility and reduced pain. Massage therapy can also promote relaxation and reduce stress, which can further help to alleviate symptoms associated with nerve damage. Number 3. Acupuncture. Acupuncture is another natural treatment for nerve damage that has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine. It involves the insertion of fine needles into specific points on the body to stimulate nerve function and promote healing. Acupuncture has been shown to help reduce pain, improve circulation, and promote nerve regeneration. Number 4. Herbs. Certain herbs, such as St. John's wort, evening primrose oil, and turmeric, have anti-inflammatory properties that may help to reduce pain and inflammation associated with nerve damage. These herbs may also help to promote nerve regeneration by providing essential nutrients and antioxidants that support nerve health. Number 5. Vitamins. Vitamins and supplements, including vitamins B12, B6, and E, as well as alpha-lipoic acid and magnesium, have been shown to promote nerve health and may be beneficial for people with nerve damage. These nutrients play a crucial role in nerve function and may help to improve nerve regeneration and reduce symptoms associated with nerve damage. Number 6. Yoga. Yoga and meditation are also beneficial for people with nerve damage as they can help to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. These practices can promote relaxation, reduce muscle tension, and improve flexibility, which can lead to improved mobility and reduced pain. Number 7. Heat therapy. Heat therapy is another natural treatment for nerve damage that can help to improve blood flow and reduce pain and inflammation. Applying heat to the affected area, such as with a warm compress or heating pad, can help to increase blood flow and reduce muscle tension, which can lead to improved mobility and reduced pain. Heat therapy can also promote relaxation and reduce stress, which can further help to alleviate symptoms associated with nerve damage. It's important to note that natural remedies may not work for everyone, and it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new treatment. Thank you for watching our program today. We hope you found it informative and enjoyable. If you have any questions or comments about the content we presented, please feel free to reach out to us.